हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। और आज के सेशन में हम कवर करेंगे व्हाट आर द टॉप 5 बी स्कूल्स फॉर एमबीए इन एनालिटिक्स और डेटा साइंस। तो अभी तक हमने बहुत सारे स्पेशलाइजेशंस के लिए टॉप 5 बी स्कूल्स के सेशंस किए हैं। एचआर का हमने कवर कर लिया, हेल्थ मैनेजमेंट का हमने कवर कर लिया। वी कवर्ड द टॉप 5 बी स्कूल्स फॉर फाइनेंस इन आवर प्रीवियस वीडियो। And today's section is about MBA in Analytics and Data Science because data science and analytics are one of the most sought after areas in terms of your careers. अभी जो companies हैं mostly सारी digital हो चुकी हैं and especially in the scenario of COVID, everything has gone digital, everything has gone tech. So the dependency on analytics and data science has grown even more in the last 6 months. So let us here discuss what are the top 5 B schools that you should aim for अगर आप plan कर रहे हैं कि आप MBA Analytics में या फिर Data Science में pursue करें. This is also very good for those people who are already working in IT firms or doing IT roles or are in the area of development or software and coding and all of that. So let's move on and discuss the top 5 B schools for the same. The first B school that we see here is IIM Bangalore. तो गाइज IIM Bangalore एक ऐसा B school है जो कि यूजुअली हर लिस्ट के टॉप 5 में आता ही है, be it finance, be it general management or any other course. IIM Bangalore is always there in the top 5 colleges and so it is also there in the course for business analytics. इस particular course का नाम है MBA in Business Analytics, that is MBA BA. It is a 2 years full-time course and the eligibility criteria is only checked through CAT, जैसे कि regular MBA के लिए होता है. इसकी फीस है 21.15 लाख रुपीस. सो 2 साल का रेगुलर MBA होगा इन द फील्ड ऑफ बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स. आपको कैट ही देना है, सो यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर बोथ द बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स कोर्स एंड द रेगुलर MBA फ्रॉम IIM बैंगलोर. द फीस इज टुवर्ड्स द हाई साइड, जो कि हम बाकी के कॉलेजेस जब देखेंगे तो हमें पता चलेगा. But yes, because it's IIM Bangalore, I'm very sure it's totally worth it. We do not have the exact placement figures of this particular course in IIM Bangalore. I tried to check it on their website, but it's not there. And as usual, we don't want to rely on any other source. So for now, this is the information that we have, and IIM Bangalore is definitely in the top 5 courses for MBA in Business Analytics. Now let us move on to the second course, that is second college that is in the top 5 for business analytics or data science. The second is IIM Calcutta. Again, IIM Calcutta is also there in the top 5 of most of the courses, क्योंकि IIM Calcutta, IIM Bangalore और IIM Ahmedabad हमेशा top 3 में रहते ही हैं. And but not all the colleges, not all the IIMs offer a course or MBA in analytics or data science. IIM Calcutta करता है offer. इसका जो कोर्स है उसका नाम है पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिप्लोमा इन बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स, दैट इज PGDMBA. ये भी 2 years फुल टाइम कोर्स है. इसका एलिजिबिलिटी भी कैट के थ्रू ही फुलफिल होता है and the fees is around 20 lakhs. So it is hardly 1 lakh less than that of IIM Bangalore. फीस दोनों की कंपेरेबल है, दोनों फुल टाइम कोर्सेज हैं. एंड IIM Calcutta again is one of the colleges जो हमेशा टॉप 3 में रहते हैं सारे कोर्सेज के लिए. So it is very credible and totally reliable if you want to pursue an MBA in the field of business analytics or data science, और इस कॉलेज के लिए particularly business analytics. Now moving on to discuss the third best college in the list, it is ISB Hyderabad. So guys, I want to give a moment here to ISB Hyderabad because हम सबको लगता है कि ISB Hyderabad is not one of the colleges जो हमें aim करना चाहिए. Because हमारे दिमाग में IIMs रहते हैं, maybe FMS, maybe XLRI, but ISB Hyderabad is one of the best colleges and yet not a lot of people apply to this college. So here I will urge you to apply for this college both for your regular MBA and for the business analytics. इसकी सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि ये 1 year कोर्स है. तो इस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स का नाम है एडवांस मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम इन बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स. टाइप ऑफ कोर्स है 1 year फुल टाइम. तो इसका जो रेगुलर MBA होता है वो भी 1 year कोर्स है, which is why it is very popular amongst the people who are currently working in the industries or have spent a good number of years in the industry and they do not want to give in 2 years to an MBA or an education. तो इसका एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया या टेस्ट है मेरिट एंड एटलीस्ट 2 years ऑफ वर्क एक्स. तो अगर आपका 2 साल का मिनिमम वर्क एक्स नहीं है then you cannot apply for this college, for this particular course. इसकी फीस है 9.4 lakhs, which is much lesser than the fees for IIM Calcutta and IIM Bangalore. It is literally half of the fees. Usually ISB Hyderabad का जो regular course है उसकी fees is around 35 lakhs, and it is very surprising कि इस particular course की fees only 9.4 lakhs है. So it is a very very good opportunity, and ISB is known for its placements and its quality of education. And since ISB is also one of the best colleges for the regular MBA, ISB Hyderabad can totally be trusted and relied upon when it comes to advanced management program and business analytics. So ये था हमारा third college. Now before we move on to the fourth college, I want to tell you that some of you might think कि ये एक private college है, जो भी हम fourth college discuss करने वाले हैं. ये कैसे top 5 में आ सकता है? There are so many other IIMs, there are so many other IITs, but let me remind you that this ranking is only pertaining to the specific course of business analytics और data science. और ये जो colleges हम बात कर रहे हैं, हम सिर्फ इस courses के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So let's move on to the fourth college in the list. The fourth college in the list is SCMHRD Pune. Yes, guys, it is a lesser known fact that SCMHRD Pune's course of MBA in Business Analytics is one of the best in the field of analytics. ये कोर्स कुछ साल पहले ही चालू हुआ है, बट इफ यू लुक एट द प्लेसमेंट्स, इफ यू लुक एट द बैच एंड एवरीथिंग, इट इज कंपेरेबल टू दैट ऑफ IIMs. और बहुत ही अमेजिंग है ये कोर्स. ये इसको MBA BA बोलते हैं, दैट इज MBA इन बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स. इट इज अ 2 years full time course, unlike ISB, but like IIM Bangalore and IIM Calcutta. इसका क्राइटेरिया होता है स्नैप एंड एटलीस्ट 2 years of work ex. तो स्नैप में इसका परसेंटेज जो होता है वो रेगुलर MBA से थोड़ा सा कम जाता है, बट अगेन इट इज 90 प्लस परसेंटाइल फॉर द कोर्स ऑफ बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स. इसकी फीस जो है वो 13.3 lakhs है, which is lesser than the fees for the core MBA, that is around 18-19 lakhs, and the placements are comparable to that of the core MBA. And so I can vouch for it that SCMHRD Pune is one of the top 5 colleges in the field of business analytics. तो आप ये जरूर अप्लाई करिए. इसमें आपको स्नैप के लिए अपेयर करना है. आई एम श्योर यू आर ऑलरेडी प्लानिंग टू अप्लाई फॉर स्नैप, and SIBM and SCMHRD Pune are the top 2 colleges that fall under the best colleges under snap. तो आप MBA in business analytics के लिए भी definitely apply करिए. This is my suggestion. Now moving on to the last college in this list. The last college in this list is Great Lakes Institute of Management, Chennai. So this college is majorly very popular for its course in business analytics, or as we call it, data science. Great Lakes के और भी branches हैं, जैसे कि one of the branches is in Gurugram, but the Chennai branch is the branch that features in the top 5 according to our research. The course name is MBA in Business Analytics, and unlike all the types of courses that we've just read about, it is a weekend executive MBA program. तो ये प्रोग्राम पूरा फुल टाइम प्रोग्राम नहीं है, नीदर 1 year nor 2 year. इट इज अ वीकेंड एग्जीक्यूटिव MBA प्रोग्राम. इसका एलिजिबिलिटी या टेस्ट क्राइटेरिया है CAT एंड GMAT, एंड इसकी फीस है 21.5 lakh rupees, विच ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स इंटरनेशनल स्टडी. तो एक इनका छोटा स्टिंट होता है जहाँ पे आप इंटरनेशनल स्टडी करते हैं. So this fees also includes the fees for that particular course. So guys, these were our top 5 colleges for MBA in Business Analytics and or Data Science. And I would urge you to apply for these courses, especially all those guys who are working in the software side of the industry, the IT sector. I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy pursuing an MBA in this field. And I would also remind you कि जो top 3 colleges हैं वो आपका हमेशा aim होना चाहिए, क्योंकि 4th और 5th colleges usually there's a lot of gap between the 3rd and the 4th college in that particular course. So start planning your specialization from now on. Start planning what courses you want to apply for and start preparing for that. And usually analytics के जो admission process होता है उसमें एक दो चीजें ज्यादा होती हैं जो हम in the later stages discuss करेंगे. And all you have to do is subscribe to our channel. You have to press the bell icon because we're coming with great different news every day for you guys. और हम नहीं चाहते कि आप मिस आउट करें किसी भी ऐसी न्यूज पे. एंड अगर आपको वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं then please like the videos, and also please mention in the comments if there's anything that you want us to cover, anything that you think we missed out on, or any questions that you have. So I'll see you very soon, perhaps in the next video, very soon, either today or tomorrow. And until then, all you have to do is stay focused, study hard. All the very best.